Good morning. Happy Thursday. All right, we're going to do morning meeting together. We're going to start with today. This picture means today.
Today is.
Today is. So yesterday was Wednesday. So what is today?
Thursday.
Touch Thursday on the screen gently or on your morning meeting folder.
Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday. All right, this picture means month.
The month is.
We need to know what the month is. It is the last day of this month.
April. The month is April.
Touch April on the screen or on your morning meeting folder. Good job. All right, and
the date is.
This picture means date. See, only one day in the month is highlighted, and the date is the 30th. So April only has 30 days. So we can say
the date is 30th.
The date is April 30th. What's this picture mean? It's time to talk about weather. Can you go look outside or out your front door and see what the weather is? All right, Miss Ainsley's looking out her window and it's cloudy today. So I'm going to say in a full sentence,
the weather is cloudy.
The weather is cloudy. Will you touch the weather on the screen gently or on your morning meeting folder? All right, this picture is temperature. The temperature
is.
The temperature is It is 50 degrees outside, which is cool. Can you touch cool?
Cool. The temperature is cool.
All right, good job, friends. Make sure you do all of our other work for today as well. I'll talk to you later. Bye.